So, I shaved. I'm gonna have a shower. It's gonna feel good. Anyway, this is what a really, really flat ocean looks like. I mean, can you believe that? That is amazing. All the way around for as far as we can see. It's just flat. Every once in a while, some flying fish will take off. Well, it looks pretty flat right now. There's a bunch of dust in the water. There's still some dust in the water. So it's supposed to stay like this till about midnight tonight. And then the wind builds again. It's pretty enjoyable. Don't really like running the engine. It's noisy. But it's pretty nice to have it flat. It's just so comfortable. It's pretty. Love to see a big whale jump, but I don't think that's in the cards. See, we took on some extra fuel. There's 2 here and there's 4 down in a locker. So we can motor for about 850 miles, I think, if we have to. But I don't think we're going to have to. Oh, that's about it. Okay. Well, another nice day. Nothing but the finest here on Sugar Pine, out in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Hebrew Nation tube steak. Those aren't just any tube steaks. That's Hebrew Nation. Those are good. 100% beef. Yeah, I'm gonna have that with some salad. I think it's an Asian salad and chips. Yay, chips. Looks like it's going to be another pretty cool sunset. Been motoring all day. Probably will for half the night, and then the wind's supposed to come up. And then we'll be moving on down the road. That's where we are. Came from there. And we're going up to there. Oh, there she is.
Hi.
Hi. How are you this evening?
Wonderful. Very nice day today.
We've decided to live for the moment.
Yeah.
You got to live for the moment out here
Yes.
because
Well, we're here, and this is as good as it. Well, actually, I don't know if this is as good as it gets here. Yesterday was even a little better,
yesterday was a nice windy
but
day.
today was new for me because I'd never seen the sea like a mirror.
Oh, time to turn the tube stakes.
Okay. All
Gotta
right.
go.
Bye.
And I had a shower and a shave. Man, we're ready to go out on the town.